Hey guys, so first I'm going to start off by prepping my skin. It is literally so hot today. I don't know. It's almost 90 degrees. So, oh no, it is 90 degrees and my apartment doesn't have AC in the rooms, so I'm suffering. I turned off like the fan and closed the windows so I don't have like extra noise when I'm filming, and I'm suffering for you guys. I'm gonna go straight into using concealer. I was actually gonna put my hair up because it's just so hot right now, but I looked at myself in the camera and it made me look like I have like a bad bowl cut, so I'm putting it down. I'm just blending out the edges of the concealer with my brush. I think my Amazon package is here. So as you guys know, I have very sensitive acne prone skin. Because of my acne, my skin is so dehydrated and dry, even though like my actual skin is oily, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna take a damp beauty sponge and further blend out the edges of my concealer. I honestly didn't have a lot of acne growing up. I think I was kind of a late bloomer when it came to like acne and skin issues. Freshman year was when I kind of started getting my first like blemishes, and even then it was like only one or two on my cheeks or like my forehead. So for today's look, I'm actually going to use a tinted moisturizer, and I'm still going to apply it with a spatula just so there's a more balanced, even application. So basically in high school and throughout like the first couple years of college, I only had like one or two pimples. Not one or two, but like not as much as I had now. And it was during COVID that I really just started getting a bunch of acne. So like since high school, I've been trying all these like ingredients and products that are supposed to help you clear your skin. None of it has like completely worked for me. Okay, so I'm going to lightly contour my nose and my face, and I'm only going to use powder because I don't want it to be too obvious. So on TikTok recently, I saw like this person talking about a product they got off of the TikTok shop. It's like a skin tool that has red light and blue light in it. It helps to bring down your acne. The brand was still setting up like the TikTok shop, and I am so desperate and easily influenced. I went on the brand's like actual website and I bought it, and it was $70. I'm gonna take a light peachy color and put it all over my eyelid. Now I'm gonna take a brown color to darken the end corners and under my eyes. The product isn't here yet. I think it's still shipping. So most of before and after photos were within a month, so maybe I'll film a transformation video and review, and I'll let you know if it works and if I actually like it. So I'm going to draw my eyeliner with a pencil liner, and I'm just going to draw the corner. Now I'm going to fill in the gaps in my lash line. Using a thin brush, I'm going to take the same brown color and use it to draw my 𝐶𝐞𝐽. Now I'm going to use a lighter concealer to brighten up my under eyes. for my eyebrows, I'm going to draw it as lightly as possible and think about it as filling in the gaps instead of completely drawing your eyebrow. So I'm going to curl my lashes, and you want to curl it at the base of your lash so that you're really lifting. For mascara, you're going to want to wipe off the excess that you have on your bottle and then apply at the tips first. You're going to want to use a mascara that applies thinly instead of clumping your lashes. Okay, so after letting my mascara dry for a little bit, I'm going to use the same toothpick method. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to wipe off the excess again and then apply it at the ends right here. And we want this to look more natural, so we aren't going to apply it too dark and we're not going to sweep it like I usually do. Then I'm just taking a toothpick again to make sure my bottom lashes aren't sticking up. So for my cheeks, I'm going to use a gel blush just so that I can keep the glowy look. I had 𝘀𝗀𝗱𝗶 yesterday, but it's so hot that I think I'm going to have to make another one today. I'm suffering. Like, I know I already said that, but like I need to emphasize how much I'm suffering right now. For my lips, I'm going to use the same eyeliner to bring my inner corners upwards. For my lips, I'm going to be using a balm. I'm just going to apply it all over. And that is it for this natural look.